Hi guys, and welcome back. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a brown smoky eye. This video is going to be solely focused on the eyes. I'm not going to be filming my face or anything like that. So yeah, before I even just start talking and rambling away, let's just get straight into the video. Alright. So obviously I've already done my brows and I've already primed my eyes with concealer and set it. Let's just jump straight into this. I'm trying to decide, should I zoom you guys in? I think I should zoom you guys in for this little bit, just a tad. Yeah, I think that's okay. Yeah, I think that's good. Alright, so I'm gonna be taking my Morphe palette and I'm taking this orange shade, this well-loved orange shade. With a brown smoky eye, it all kind of depends on like the vibe that you're going for. Even though I'm using cool tone browns, I still want that warmth to it, so that's why I'm going in with this orange shade as my transition shade. And I'm also ensuring that the same amount of pigmentation that is on the outer corners are also in the inner corners, because it's a blown out smoky eye. It's not just like, oh, intensity here, the outer parts, no. So you want to make sure that your transition shade is even throughout. I'm going to go in with the shade right here, and this is the 35N palette, if I didn't say that before. I don't think I did. So I'm going in with that shade and I'm keeping that relatively low. Ooh. We're doing the same thing as we were doing before. One thing is that I'm not blowing it out as much. I place most of the product directly in my crease and then lightly feather it up into that orange shade, but I'm really not putting, just grab that, I don't know what I was gonna say a while ago. And you know, there's so many different ways to do a brown smoky eye. You can literally just use the lid color and just smoke it out. But I find like this process of like layering colors is the best way to do it. Do any smoky eye really. It's time consuming, yes, but I feel like it's best it just have like a seamless transition of colors, and the gradient is nice. And it's like when you're just doing one shade, like it's a lot, I think it's probably even a lot harder because you want to take your time and blow out that color so it's like faded out, as opposed to with this where I can use different shades with different intensities. I don't know if I'm making sense. I don't think I'm making sense. Like, I know what I'm saying and I know it makes sense, but I don't know how to say it so you guys can understand what I'm saying. I'm just gonna go back in with the first shade in that first brush and just blend the colors together some more. I'm just doing that in circular motion. Alright, now with that bottom shade right here and that second brush that we were using, I'm just gonna load up the brush. And I'm going to pack that on my lid. And really, I'm using this as a base for the brown that we're gonna use. You could honestly use a cream base if you wanted to, but ain't nobody got time for that. Or like a brown liner. But really, ain't nobody got time for that. And with nothing left on the brush, I'm just going to blend those colors together in the crease. Not really like blowing that out or anything, just right in the crease. Now I'm gonna be taking this brown right here. I think it looks way more gray on camera than it is, but it is a cool tone brown. So I'm gonna load up my brush with that and start applying it. And then I'm going to take the black shade from the palette and line my lids with that. Alright, so I'm going to put on some mascara, some lashes, do the rest of my face, and then we'll come back to finish the lower lash line. Okay, so to finish up the eyes, I'm gonna go in with that first shade, that orange shade. Then that third shade that we used on the lid, well, technically the first shade that we used on the lid, gonna buff that under there as well. And then I'm gonna take that other lid shade, that last shade that we used, and put that close to the lash line. I'm gonna be using this NYX eyeliner in the shade brown. Then I am gonna go in with that black shadow again and keep that very close to. I guess I'm gonna probably put it just on top of my waterline to deepen it up a little bit. And then I'm just gonna take that orange shade again and just buff out everything. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I really just tried to keep the face very warm. I even used my bronzer as a blush to just kind of really warm up the skin, and I used kind of a more golden highlight, and I paired it with a brown lip. So yeah, obviously I didn't film my whole face process. I didn't film it any at all. That's because I just wanted to switch it up a little bit. So yes, I hope you guys didn't mind that. Sure. That's the finish. That's it. The video is basically done. It is finito. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy the watch, please give this video a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, feel free to subscribe, and if you're not quite convinced, head on over to my channel and check out some of my other videos, and maybe then you'll feel persuaded to subscribe. Thank you guys so much once more for watching, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye.